At first, an ABS contract appears to be like any other conventional contract. It is a freely negotiated contract between different parties. All sides mutually agree on what each party offers and receives. In this regard, an ABS contract must, of course, define the biological resource and/or the traditional knowledge that is the subject matter of the contract. Also, the terms of access and utilization need to be specified, and the benefits arising from the utilization need to be agreed upon in the initial contract. However, this is where commonalities to most other contracts end. That is because time is the main challenge the contract needs to solve in its terms and conditions. A lot of time will pass between access, utilization, and the generation of benefits. To better understand, let's have a look at a typical ABS case. A pharmaceutical company is interested in a plant from a certain part of the rainforest. After having agreed on mutual terms with the provider, the company's research and development discovers that the plant contains a molecular compound that enhances moistness. Years later, after several setbacks, further research reveals that the compound aids the healing of bruised human skin. So, the company then develops a special scar cream that accelerates healing. Later, they also invent a Band-Aid containing the compound. More years down the line, a cosmetic company wants to produce a new moisturizing hand cream based on the molecular structure of the compound. A lot of things have happened since access to the resource was granted, and a lot of time has passed, some 12 years. The question is, how to ensure the original provider gets a fair share of gains made from all these product developments through a watertight contract. The ABS contract, if it is a good one, needs to cover all these outcomes, even though developments and results cannot be foreseen in detail. Furthermore, the contract should anticipate benefit sharing with the provider, even in cases where the R&D is not successful. So in short, the contract should be designed to encompass both planned and unforeseeable developments that could occur over the course of an extended period of time. Not an easy task, really, but manageable. Here are 4 major takeaways. 1. Understand and always bear in mind that the nature and value of a resource will change through the R&D process, and thus will not be the same as it was at the time of access. Those dynamics should be reflected in your ABS contract. 2. Research and development can take years, often more than a decade, so be prepared that you may not receive substantial monetary benefits until then. Your ABS contract needs to take that into account. 3. Benefits of commercialization of products and technical processes aren't the only value that can be created from your biological resource. For example, research and knowledge can be important achievements. Make sure your ABS contract also provides for appropriate benefit sharing. 4. Monetary benefits shouldn't be your only goal. Consider all benefits that may be generated: knowledge sharing, technology transfer, educational agreements, and other non-monetary benefits should also be taken into account when negotiating your contract.